Now let's take a look at this figure 21-24. And it kind of deals with the requirements where you have switches, circuit breakers, motor controllers, and fuses, and things that could create an arc or spark under certain conditions. Of course, these type of requirements are listed in 501.115A and B and the NEC. Now notice to the left at the very top of the enclosure, it lists as enclosures with switches, circuit breakers, motor controllers, or fuses. Any type of device that could create an arc or a spark during operation or under any type of condition. And of course, it's Class 1 Division 1 rules. These enclosures with arcing contact should be identified for the area. And so this is an explosion-proof enclosure, or it's an enclosure that's pressurized, purged and pressurized. And of course, intrinsically safe, it's too low of an energy output to be used here in Article 504. So when we're looking at explosion-proof equipment, where it's the threaded enclosure type or the bolted type, then we go to 501.115A and B. And that's the bottom line. Or else you could have a Class 1 Division 2 rules. And you could use general purpose enclosures such as Hoffman boxes, for example, shall be permitted to be used with a big if arcing or sparking contacts are enclosed, like hermetically sealed, all immersion that we find in 501.105, 501.150 in the NEC. And then, of course, for factory design enclosures, enclosing these contacts can also be used in accordance with 110.3B and C in the code, see? So this is just kind of identifying enclosures. Now, enclosures for explosion proof are type 7, 8, 9, and 10 type enclosures explained in detail in NEMA 250. That's standard. Other types of enclosures can be found in table 110.28 in the NEC. But that's what this illustration and this figure is illustrating, is the requirements for switches, circuit breakers, and motor controllers and fuses and those type of devices. What type of enclosure do they have to be enclosed in? And that's what this illustration is illustrating to the user of the NEC.